So good morning. I'm gonna bring the machine, the pressure machine, back to the pharmacy. As you can see, that's the pharmacy there, and I've got the pressure machine in the bag. So I'm gonna bring it back to the pharmacy now. Oh, hello. I'm just returning this machine. Is that all? Yeah.
There's nothing for you.
Oh, crumbs. That's my phone. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you. Bye. So I've just brought back the pressure machine and I'm going to work. So the weather is not weathering today. It's very kind of cold. It's not that cold, but my camera looks so blurry. But anyway, I'll see you later. I hope you're having a good day. Good morning, everybody. I am just got back from outside and I am going to get ready to go to work. But I went to the medical center this morning to give some blood, and there you go, because I need to check my cholesterol, so I need to do that. And now I'm gonna get myself ready for work, so I'll see you later. The sun is coming through the curtains. Got my hat on. Yeah, so I'll see you in a bit. It was very busy out there this morning because I was an 8:30 appointment and the school rush, so I had to like walk a little bit and then get on the bus, and then walk a bit more and get on the bus. But I managed to get on the bus, so yeah. So now I am gonna get ready for work. I need to look there in the camera, not here. But it's painful. I'll see you in a bit. I'm just making some porridge for my breakfast / lunch. It's oat with green plantain porridge, coconut milk, and yeah, all that stuff. Quick one. When I was on my way back from the health center to get the blood test done, I stop and I pick up some produce, some Caribbean produce. So this is how serious I am. Seriously. So I've got the beetroot over there. I got loads of stuff in my cupboard, but yeah, I had to buy this. This is how serious I'm taking this blood sugar problem. This is serious. So I've got these beetroots. I'm gonna make juice before I go to work. Bottle of some and carry in my bag. This is how serious I'm taking it. Very serious. Hi everyone, I'm getting ready for work now. So as I showed you this morning, I got these, you know what, let me backtrack, okay? If you were here last week, you know that I went to the doctor and they said that my blood pressure was really high. It was 173 over 103. Freaks me out, so I just get into action mode straight away. Start eliminate all of the bad things that I've been eating, like rice, bread, pasta. I mean, it's not bad. You just have to eat it in moderation. So I said to myself, you know what? I'm going to cut all of this out and get back to normal and just start cooking healthy. So yesterday, I've been eating healthy from since Saturday. Well, I was eating healthy before, but you know, I was eating like takeaways and pizza and all that sort of stuff. Well, now I get a wake-up call and I have to stop it. So now I got my beetroot. So I've got that done. Now I've made the juice. So I've made beetroot, I've made carrots, and I've put ginger and lemon in a juice, and I've made it. And this is one of the bottles. So I had a glass and I've bottled the rest of them up, and this is it. Never mind the bottle. I'm gonna get some shot glasses, some shot bottles from Amazon. But this is it. I've bottled it all up. I'm gonna put it in my freezer so that I can have a glass a day just to get this blood pressure under control. But I feel better. You know, I'm getting ready for work. So I guess what? I'll see you later. Hi everybody. So I'm on my getting ready to work. As I showed that I had the beetroot juice. I had it. And now today is a better day than last week. Yay! So I'm getting ready for work. So yeah. So I'll see you later. You know, I'm on my journey for my blood sugar. So I stop at the shop and I pick up some stuff, some cornmeal. I got some pumpkin. You know, I am getting this blood sugar and all this life change, you know, food. I got some chocha. Everybody who knows that, Jamaican and all of that. I got some okra as well, some fresh okra again. I got some lettuce. It's a little bit of shopping, you know. Got some fruits, some oranges. So I've got the berries over there, some oranges. I picked up a tray of eggs. Because my daughter, oh guys, my daughter is coming home for the weekend. Yeah, she's coming to get her hair done. And here we go, we got some quinoa. Obviously I'm stopped eating rice for a while. I'm gonna stop. So I got quinoa. I got, this is one of my mom loves this. It's pink salmon. I love it as well. So just a little food shopping I did. Some oregano. Because it's my day off today, by the way. Some cucumber. And I pick up some chicken parts, some chicken, you know, thighs in the shop. I'm gonna grill that. Just give me a minute. Sorry about that. And I got some apples as well. I got some vinegar, white still vinegar to wash the chicken and stuff. And this, I got some couscous. Love. So I got 2 packs. I got some in my cupboard anyway. So this is what my rice is going to be looking like. This is going to be my rice. So just a little mini haul. And I stopped at the hair shop and I got this headband for my hair. And I got some stuff. So I'm going to try this to steam my hair. And my daughter is coming home. So I'm going to use it to give us a proper little treatment for her hair and that. So that's pretty much what I got today. Oh yes, hold on a minute. And then I stopped to the shop next door and I got myself a grater because my grater is broken, so I got this one. So that's what I got today from the shop. I think I spent about £22 here for everything, I think. Yeah. So that's what I got today. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So you know I'm on this health journey this time with because I had this blood pressure scare, which is like my blood pressure was 173 over 103. So I had to go take the blood test and I'm waiting for them to tell me how my cholesterol is doing. So I went on the old Google Smoogle and I went on Google and said, you know what, what's good for blood pressure? So I went to the shop, as I showed you before. I went to the shop and I got some beetroots, which is they say very good for blood pressure. And I've got celery here, and I've got carrots, and I've got half a lemon. So, and I've got my my blender. Oh, and I bought these little bottles. I think I might pour whatever is, you know, from this into this and freeze them, because I wanted to get the shot glasses, but yeah, I didn't get them. So I'm just gonna make my drink. So that's beetroot there, and this is the carrot. I think there should be enough carrots. Yeah, I was gonna put another one in there, but maybe not. I'll just put that one. I had it yesterday and I went to work and I felt so good. I had no headaches, nothing. So I'm just gonna have a glass a day and yeah, see how it goes. So I'll get back in touch with you in a minute. Okay, so I'm just gonna pop all of them in my blender, and I'm gonna pop the beets in there as well. Oh, it's a bloodbath in this chicken. Ow. And I always use this plastic because they always like in my reach. I do have little bowls and stuff like that. I have plenty of these bowls and stuff, but I don't know, I always keep using these, so don't worry, I have plenty of bowls. Yeah, look at that gorgeousness. So here is my glass, and this is my intake. I'm gonna knock that back right now and get my day started. And whatever you do, I hope you're having a great day. I am making some jerk chicken for my dinner today. Have a look at it, and I have made some couscous and some jerk chicken with some steamed vegetables, because you know I'm no more into the oil and all of that sort of stuff. So I put this on the grill for the oven, and it's going in now.